Hello, this is Mr. Stein, and in this video we're going to take a look at example number 1 from section 7.2, solving a system of linear equations graphically. You're going to be able to determine the point where two lines cross given a graph. Graph linear functions in different forms by hand. Graph linear functions using a graphing calculator, i.e. Desmos. Let's head down to example 1. Solve this linear system. Okay, we've got a system of linear equations, 2x plus 3y equals 3 and x minus y equals 4. So what we want to do is we want to graph this. I'm going to use this time to review the different ways we can graph. Equation number 1. We're going to graph equation number 1 by converting it into y equals mx plus b form. So by isolating y. So number 1, we've got 2x plus 3y equals 3. So let's start isolating y. 3y equals negative 2x plus 3. That's a 9. Now we divide everything by 3. Y is equal to negative 2/3 x plus 1. Well, this is pretty easy to graph. Let's graph this. Put a dot at plus 1, go down to over 3, down to over 3, down to over 3. And we can work our way backwards a little bit. Draw our line. We can label this as equation number 1. All right, now let's take a look at equation number 2. To do this, we're going to determine the X-intercept and the Y-intercept. So for number 2, we're going to determine the X-intercept for number 2. To do that, we make y is equal to 0. So we get x minus 0 equals 4, or x is equal to 4. So we have our X-intercept at 4, 0. That's a point on the graph. 4, 0, right there. Now we determine our y-intercept. To do that, we put x is equal to 0. So 0 minus y is equal to 4. Minus y is equal to 4, or y is equal to minus 4. So we've got our second point right here. That's not accurate, is it? That's minus 5. Let's put it in the right spot. Right here. This goes right like this, and you can see right where they meet. They meet right here at this point right here. So 3 and minus 1 is our common solution. So our solution to this system of linear equations is 3, minus 1. Now we can verify that. So I don't have a lot of space here, but in this bottom left-hand corner, I'm going to verify. So to verify, we put it into our equation. And we see if it equals 3. 2 times 3 is 6, minus 3, that does equal 3. Check mark. Then we put it into equation number 2. 3 minus 1, does that equal 4? And that becomes 3 plus 1, and that does equal 4. So it verifies out. To verify, we just put it into our two equations and see if it works. So the solution to this system of linear equations is the point 3, minus 1. That x value and that y value solve both equations. Now, we can check this out in Desmos. Let's just quickly run over there to see how it looks in Desmos. So let's head on over. Desmos. And we type in our equation. 2x plus 3y equals 3. And x minus y equals 4. we can see right there's our point at 3, -1. Desmos doesn't care how you type in the equation, just so long as you type it in. All right. I hope this was helpful to you. If you have any questions, please put them in the comments below or contact me directly, and thank you for watching.